What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about beards. Those of you guys out there that have beards and want to maintain it, take care of it, groom it, all the fun stuff that comes along with the maintenance of having a beard, I am going to share a company that actually formulated beard shampoo and conditioner that tastes good. It actually tastes good. It's crazy. This is a company called Beardsley, and this is their sensation pack right here. There's actually 4 shampoos, 1 conditioner. Let's face it, guys, grooming our beards with like regular soap or shampoo tastes bitter, it's nasty, it's not a comfortable feeling. Although it may do the job, the whole process of like maintaining your beard with regular like soap and whatnot, and even facial cleanser, does not taste good. It just doesn't taste good. And what we should be doing is every single day, even twice a day, taking care of our beard, washing it. You know, we eat, stuff falls in it, it could just get nasty, point blank, period. So today I'm going to share my experience with using these products right here by Beardsley. So if you're interested in my review on this facial grooming products, then keep on watching. We have 4 different flavors and scents here, guys: wild berry, cantaloupe, allspice, and verbena. I don't know what a verbena is, but does taste and smell quite well, to be honest. But these guys are crazy. I've never seen anything like this in the men's department. Women have all that fun stuff. Guys, we don't get stuff like this. So this is huge. This is a big deal. That's what that is. So I'm gonna be honest. There's one that is completely my favorite out of all 4 of the flavors and scents, and that is the wild berry. Anything berry flavored, scented, for me, it's sweet, it's delicious, and I love it. Now this, don't get me wrong, although these like don't have a bitter taste when getting it like in your mouth or on your lips, I don't recommend eating this. This is not to eat. This is just strictly for cleansing this area without having like that nasty soapy taste. You can purchase these products right here individually or in the pack that I have on beardshampoo.com or Amazon. But one thing that I kind of want to stress to you guys about maintaining and just grooming your beard in general. For those of you guys that do grow your beard and keep it at a certain length, like this for example, this is like my normal go-to length for my beard. And one thing that's really important is when you don't shave, dead skin cells build up and they just become pronounced within your beard, and that causes irritation, that causes itchiness, and it's not comfortable. So it's really important to wash your beard thoroughly and maintain it and just take care of it. I do have to say these beard shampoos are not life-changing, but I did notice that my facial hair did look a little healthier, shinier, and just more better. I don't know, it didn't look more full because it does not make you grow facial hair. This is not what that does, but what I can say is it does take care of like dead skin cells. So what stops your beard from growing sometimes is just the buildup of dead skin cells and nastiness and all that TMI stuff we don't want to talk about. But it is definitely important to make sure you're just washing all that stuff that is underneath the hair away. The ingredients for all these products are pretty great. I'm not going to name them all off, but I'll list it right here if you want to check them out for yourself. And another cool thing about this product is it's made in the US, so you have to appreciate that. Now, what exactly do each one of these do? Before I get into actually using the product and showing you guys how it works, the cleanser says here on the box, which is also on the website, it says Beardsley shampoo for beards is specifically formulated for facial hair. It will leave your beard and mustache clean and fresh. Apply a small amount, massage well, and rinse thoroughly. Your choice of wild berry, cantaloupe, all those flavors I mentioned. So that's what the cleanser is. The tamer, aka cleanser, that is for beards, is a special formula for beards. What am I saying? It will leave your facial hair feeling unusually soft and smooth. Apply a small amount after shampooing and rinse. Alright, cool. So yeah, that's that. That's what these do. Basically, guys, I'm not going to beat a dead horse. These products are just for maintaining all of this. So what I'm going to do as of right now is show you guys how I wash my beard. And I just wet it like this and put a really small amount, just like how the instructions said. And I'm using my favorite one. This is the wild berry. Really tiny amount, guys, and I don't have a big beard or anything like that, so I don't need to use a lot, but just rub it in. and it's gonna sud up just a little bit. This smells so good, guys. You have no idea. This literally, it's hard not to want to like try it. I did get a little bit in my mouth and it didn't taste horrible, so can't be mad. Now obviously the more water you apply with the product, it'll get more soapy like this. All right, so the shampoo is off. My face feels very soft as of right now, but it's gonna feel even softer because I'm gonna use the tamer. That's what they call it, the tamer, not conditioner. And again, tiny amount. We're not gonna put on too much. And also the cool thing is, guys, just learn how to manage your products. You don't need to go wasting products and putting a huge amount on, whether it's like your moisturizer, your hair products, any products. Just keep in mind, the less you use, the more you'll probably look natural. And people, men, women, love a natural look. Me personally, I'm attracted to something that looks natural. You know, I don't know. But anyways, I have this on my hands. Let's put on the conditioner. Let's get conditioned. Let's get soft. And this doesn't really have a specific sense or taste to it. It does have kind of like a soapy but good soap like smell to it, but doesn't taste horrible. Doesn't taste great though. Would not recommend eating that. So let me wash this off. Beardly. Okay, so my face is clean. It is conditioned. It is shampooed. I'm gonna brush it right now. And what I also want to give you guys as a tip: do not under any circumstance, unless like you have dry skin, put beard oil on your beard before bed. Me, I've done that for a while because I was for some reason thinking that beard oil would help like grow my facial hair. Never did that ever, regardless of what beard oil that I've used. I've not had that experience, but beard oil, when you sleep with it, it only gets like on your pillows and gets nasty, and that alone with the oil on your pillow will get on the rest of your face and like possibly make you break out and clog your pores. But that's what it did to me, and I was breaking out all right here along like my cheek line on my beard, and it was not cute. So do not wear beard oil before bed. So guys, I cannot stress enough, these products are awesome. I did not really dig into how I feel about the packaging, but I mean, check it out yourself. The packaging is pretty sick. It's minimal. It has a very like, I don't know, I love the look of it because it reminds me of something Victorian-esque. I don't know, maybe not Victorian, maybe like early 1900s. I don't know. But the guys on here, this one's a little creepy. I don't know, but go figure. The one that I like the most has like the creepiest looking guy in it. I actually want, this one might be the creepiest looking one, the Cantaloupe, which by the way smells amazing. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I'm not going to drag this out too much because I mean, they're beard shampoos and conditioners. What more do you want to know other than they taste pretty great? They are affordable as well. I will list the price right here, and beardshampoo.com, guys, check them out. You will not be disappointed, especially if you're somebody that really appreciates the innovative stuff for guys, because 2020, I cannot wait to see what's in our future for men, because 2019 we really did raise the bar, and that is amazing. Not that these are released this year, they were actually released a while ago, but men are becoming more conscious of all the cool things that are out there that we should be trying, and that's what I cannot wait to share with you guys. Stuff like this that needs to be talked about. I also got this in the mail today, and I cannot wait to try these products. This is skincare related, but check out this packaging. This is from 𝗦𝗢𝗄𝑒, and I found this company on Instagram, and this packaging is sick. But basically it's a vitamin C inspired. It's going to give you some clarity, a boost for the skin, and I have a lot of products here that I'm going to be reviewing probably within the next month, because I want to give it, feel how it reacts to my skin, because we stay honest and true on this channel. By the way, this is not a brand partnership or a affiliate type deal for this video. This is just a product that I highly appreciate, and really, like I said, want to bring awareness to stuff like this for you guys. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. It goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, like twice a week. So I would appreciate you to follow me on this journey. And my Instagram is one of these corners too if you'd like to give me a follow on there. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.